And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year day 102. Let us create another rectangle and we go directly to Object Fill and Stroke. And you might have seen there isn't just a linear and a radial gradient, there's also a mesh gradient. And when you activate that, it directly shows you, use the mesh tool to modify it, and the tool can be found right here. We're going to go over all of the details in the next couple of videos. But for now, we're going to create a basic mesh gradient. And this can be easily achieved by selecting the anchor points right here using the mesh tool. And then you can see the color wheel and you can adjust these colors. There are a couple of circles in between. Don't worry about that for now. We just want to focus on the basics, as I've said. You can also create it directly with the mesh tool. Right here, you can see I could add it to the stroke. Let me add it once more right here on a new rectangle. You can see we have a mesh gradient on the stroke. And if I switch it right here to fill, we can now add it to the fill. So this is the basic fill mesh gradient that we've created here via Object Fill and Stroke. You can also do that using the mesh tool. And by default, you're gonna get these anchor points. So in this case, a rectangle has 4 anchor points. Therefore, we can adjust 4 gradient colors and they will blend into one another. So if you were wondering what this mesh gradient is for, in its basic form, it looks like this. And we're gonna create more complex examples in the following videos. I hope this one was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.